the fudgiest, gooeyest brownies,
aka pecan pie brownies. They have a fudgy, rich, chocolatey brownie base topped with this ooey gooey layer that's packed full of toasty, crunchy pecans, maple syrup, and bourbon. They're so good, especially with a scoop of ice cream on top.
Time for the big whisk.
You don't need a mixer for this recipe, just use a handheld whisk. Size doesn't matter here, but I just had a big whisk. The brownie batter has cocoa powder, melted chocolate, and
I ate all the dark chocolate, so it's just gonna be milk chocolate today.
I don't know if you know this about me, but I am obsessed with dark chocolate.
Okay, maybe a little more.
Once I was happy with the amount of chocolate I added, I baked that brownie base off and started on that ooey gooey topping.
You probably shouldn't do this. The best part.
The topping is heavily inspired by a pecan butter tart.
Oh, Canada?
Which I think tastes better than a pecan pie because it has vinegar and butter to cut through all that sweetness. It's like equally gooey, less overwhelmingly sweet. It's just better.
I forgot to add vanilla.
I was obviously impatient before digging in and didn't let them cool completely, so they got a little smushed. They were just oh so good.